How to add a payment method on iPhone. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add a payment method on your iPhone. Firstly, open settings and scroll down. Navigate to the general option and click on it. In general, go to software update and check for any software update that may be available. Now go back to your settings main page. In settings at the top, you should see your Apple ID. Click on it. Inside, click on the option Payment and Shipping. Inside Payment and Shipping, you should see an interface like this. Here at the top, you should see an option for credit or debit card. Enter the number of your credit or debit card and the expiry date. Also type in your security code and tap on Done to add your payment method. Now adding your debit card won't cost you a penny, but only when you start making purchases, then your balance will be deducted. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.